Hello dear traders and welcome to Insta TV for another financial news release with me, Anna Kasatkina. The prospects for the European economy deteriorated, dragging down the euro. The lingering trade war between the United States and China has turned into a massive problem, in particular for the euro. The economic future for the currency bloc does not seem bright anymore. The political situation is also far from stable. To make things worse, Germany released lackluster unemployment report. The report showed an increase in May for the first time in 2 years. The unemployment rate rose to 5% versus the level of 4.9% registered in April. This news came as a surprise to analysts who expected the unemployment to remain unchanged. The leaders of the EU countries will start to appoint their official representatives soon. In particular, heads of the European Commission and the European Central Bank will be elected. In the middle of the European trading session, the euro-dollar pair was hovering near the level of 1.1156, reversing yesterday's decline. The euro has returned to the support level at 1.1180, which indicates weakness of buyers. The nearest targets lie at 1.1120 and 1.1100. Meanwhile, the pound sterling has barely changed. The pound-dollar pair was trading in a narrow range, which is a sign of the market uncertainty. The quotes declined to 1.2647. Similar to the euro, the British currency faces downward risks. If the pair breaks the support at 1.2600, then it can trigger a sell-off, pushing the price towards 1.2480. Amid the complicated geopolitical situation, traders try to avoid risks, so the demand for safe haven assets increases. The US dollar is still the dominant currency in the basket of majors. However, the yen and the Swiss franc managed to gain ground against the greenback. Thus, the dollar-franc pair declined to 1.0057. Gold futures were also trading in the green zone on the background of the US-China conflict and Brexit issues. In the nearest future, the dynamics of gold prices will depend on who will be Theresa May's follower. It will be equally important what approach will the new Prime Minister adopt towards Brexit. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.